Linear scale for injection molding machine. Slide type. Slide type can be used to provide accurate linear displacement measurement. Slide type linear scale have theoretically infinite resolution. The sensor structure design makes it easy to install. This type of linear scale has strong temperature stability. Slide type linear scale have synchronous control. Measuring ranges from 75 mm to 1250 mm. N2S Technologies Pvt Ltd is a pioneer enterprise IMM components suppliers.